Hello, I'm Christian, the co-founder of ITeens.
And I'm Caroline, also the co-founder of ITeens.
Starting in 2020, ITeens was founded and created to assist senior citizens by teaching them technology courses.
During the COVID-19 worldwide pandemic, we saw the need to assist all of our community with their technological questions and devices.
While staying home, people rely on communication tools like Zoom and FaceTime to connect with each other, but often do not know how to effectively use them.
We do our best to help others who are not as aware of these technological resources.
So ask us questions through our website at iteens-tech.org or email us at iteens.help@gmail.com. Hello everyone, good morning. My name is Christian.
And I'm Caroline.
Thank you so much all for coming.
We will start our presentation with today's tutorial.
Today's tutorial will be focused on making a professional slide presentation using Google Slides.
Once we are done, we will move into a one-on-one private session and answer any questions that you have.
At any point, if you're waiting to ask your question, please be patient and we will work on getting you into a one-on-one room. Before we start, does anyone have any questions? At this point, you can unmute yourself if you do.
We will now begin the tutorial. Please remember to keep your mic muted and video off while we are presenting. Thank you.
The basics. With today's technology advancements, you can make professional-looking slide presentations from the comfort of any device. Today we will cover how to make simple yet effective slides using Google Slides, which this presentation was created on.
Accessing Google Slides. First, to access Google Slides, you will need a Google account. Step 1. Go to the slides.google.com on your web browser and download the Google Slides app for mobile devices.
Step 2. Click on the plus in the upper left-hand corner to create a new project.
If you would like to create a project from a template, you can click on the examples to the right.
Layout. After clicking the plus, you will be directed to the new project. Here's an in-depth look at what the layout looks like.
Here are your menu controls. You can rename your presentation here, as well as the main controls to manage your presentation. This is where you can insert an image and shapes to make your presentation more professional, like this graphic below.
Here are the controls to edit the presentation from the font and colors of the text. You can also change the theme and make cool transitions from slide to slide. These features help your slide presentation look more professional.
After you create a slide presentation, the preview of that slide will appear here.
This is the main view of the slide that you are working on. Your creativity is endless in customizing each slide to be unique and professional.
Lastly, this is where you can share and present your slide. When you click the Share button, you can either share the presentation with someone's Google account or you can share the link. When you click the Present button, the slides will go into presentation mode or full screen.
Before we move on, are there any questions?
Themes. Google has many options that you can add to your presentation as a theme. However, there are thousands of options online that you can download. Since you already know how to make a theme through Google Slides, we will show you how to import themes from the internet.
Step 1. In your web browser, search up Google Slides themes. There will be many results, but we recommend the website Slides Carnival.
For this example, we will be using Slides Carnival. Step 2. Scroll down and select the theme that you like.
Step 3. Once found, click on the text in blue to open up the theme.
Step 4. Scroll down and select the option for Google Slides, shown in blue.
Step 5. You will be directed to Google Slides. Click Use Template in the upper right-hand corner.
Step 6. You'll be once again redirected to Google Slides. Here you can edit the theme to become your own unique presentation.
You can always access Google's own theme library, like these examples as shown.
Google has many categories that you can choose from,
like personal, work, and education.
How to make a Google slide. Well, today we have learned how to make a Google slide, how to navigate the layout of Google Slides, and how to import themes into a Google slide.
Thank you for joining us. Are there any questions?